Are you haunted by the ghosts of your ex-friends? This is revenge for all of your pranks. Blondie can show us a trick with a cup in her hand. Wow! How do you do that? Show me! Easy! One glass goes on one hand and the second glass goes on the other hand. Now let's add some water. Oh, Jessica, you are a real magician! Good job! Way to go! Great, but what should I do now? How do I take the cups off? Oh no! I fell for a prank! Hey, somebody, help me! Now I'll have to dry the floor and plot my revenge. The friends are busy dyeing their eyebrows. I'll bring some new colors into the mix. I quietly swap brown eyebrow dye for black. And my friends don't notice anything. Naomi is applying the dye. She has no idea that the effect will be way more intense than she expects. Oh no! Why do my eyebrows look so depressing? And how do I wash it off? I don't want to look like Maleficent. This is your fault, Naomi. We are going shopping. Naomi picked out a ton of new outfits to try on. It's a great opportunity for a fashion prank. We'll suggest the trendiest outfits from magazines to her. She comes out in a nice outfit, but we all say it doesn't look good on you. Another look? It's a no from me. This look won't be moving on to the next round. The next option is even worse. Why did you put that on? Here, take a look at the latest trends in fashion magazines. Do you see what people wear these days? Well, girls, what do you think about this? Awesome! Let's add an extra trendy accessory. A fur coat? An umbrella? There you go! Now you are a fashion goddess! This is haute couture, babe! My makeup turned out flawless. I just need to blow dry my hair and I'm ready to go. But my friend snuck holy powder into the hairdryer. Oops! A green tornado hits Jessica. Hello, Hulk. Movie night! Everyone wants to watch a different movie, a comedy or a classic love story. But Jessica goes for horror. How boring and gruesome! Jessica shouldn't have left the room to get her tea. Her friends decided to pull a scary prank. This kitchen must be haunted. Just look at this candle. It's exactly like in your movie, Jessica. It looks like a poltergeist stopped by. Ah! Oh no! Jessica didn't even notice that her friend is controlling the metallic candle holder using a magnet. You can't hide in the hall. It's full of ghosts. And we're coming for you, Jessica. It was a bad idea to pick that movie. And zombies are waiting for Jessica in her room. Give us our popcorn! Ah! This is so scary! No one can straighten my hair better than my friend, especially since she has a great sense of humor. Jessica puts a hair extension that looks like Naomi's hair into a flat iron. Oh, I'm so sorry, Naomi. I don't know how this happened. Aha! I got you. My hairstyling prank worked great. Dogs are our best friends and our best partners in prank crime. Blondie dressed up for a party. Black looks so good on her. Let me hug my best friend. You are so beautiful, Blondie, especially with all that dog fur on your clothes. Oh no! I look like a werewolf! Have fun at your fuzzy party! The kitchen is a very dangerous territory in our prank war. There is definitely a prank here. Let's see whose prank works first. Jessica is first. She leaves a harmless bottle of soda on the table. Coca-Cola. It looks normal. There probably won't be a surprise inside. I can drink it. Blondie didn't notice a hidden prank. Jessica added food coloring to the soda. Welcome to the Brown Tooth Club, bestie. I'm in art class. Hold on, I forgot brushes. But we'll use art for a colorful prank. She pours paint into Naomi's gloves. Why would you need brushes when you have your hands? All done! Art is waiting. Okay, I'll put the gloves on. What is this? Now I look like Thanos. This is acrylic treatment for moisturizing your skin. It's bright, colorful hand art. Did your roommate make a black face mask? Let's make it even darker. Color the mask with eyeliner. There is no such thing as too much beauty. Blondie is applying her face mask. She is so naive. Instead of her skin becoming clean and fresh, it's going to be dark and stained. This mask must have a temporary tattoo effect. Hey girls, do I look nice? Can I wear this to, say, a party? You just need to fix your makeup a little bit. Sit still, we'll help you. Eyeshadow, blush, lipstick. The friends didn't just refresh her makeup, they made it 10 times brighter. So everybody will notice Jessica on the dance floor right away. Now you'll be the brightest star at the party. Everyone will love your eyebrows. Being accurate is the most important thing when you are doing your nails. As long as your friends don't distract you. Aw, this rubber spider is so harmless. You should live in Jessica's hair, buddy. Jessica, there's a spider in your hair! Ah! Oh no, get it off me right now! Unfortunately, Jessica's fresh nails couldn't survive this rescue mission. Oh no, my manicure! You'll pay for this, Naomi. My friend is busy doing her cucumber treatment. No, don't open your eyes. I'll help you with adding milk to your coffee. I'll add some fresh lemon juice to the milk. Who wants some tangy vitamins? I pour the lemon milk into Naomi's coffee. Enjoy, pal. Oh, I don't think she likes this refreshing taste. Maybe the milk just went bad. I have nothing to do with it. I'll swap my friend's shirt for the same one, just smaller. Jessica is putting on her favorite top. Gosh, did I gain weight? My shirt is too small. What a nightmare! Naomi, do you see this? I always gain weight so fast. I'll start a healthy diet and work out more. You fell for my prank, Jessica. Naomi is head over heels in love. He is so amazing. I need to text him. And of course, I need to tell my besties everything. Look at this handsome guy. I wish he'd ask me out on a date. But he doesn't respond, and Naomi is getting anxious. We will arrange this date for you, since we are best friends. We quickly swap the guy's number for Jessica's number while Naomi is out and send a message from her phone pretending to be him. gosh! He asked me out! Yay! Finally! I'm ready! I'm on my way to you, my love! Did you like our pranks for friends? Comment below how you'd prank your bestie. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new pranks from Troom.